We're certain you've heard at least some of the numerous Galaxy S23 Ultra rumors that have circulated. So what else is new? There have been advancements in the camera department, and the new chipset has several interesting capabilities, such as the introduction of real-time hardware-accelerated ray tracing, which will increase the reality of mobile games. Join us today as we talk about the finest smartphone ever made. Let's get down to business, shall we? Camera. The main camera of the Galaxy S23 Ultra would be one of Samsung's 200 megapixel sensors. The Galaxy S23 Ultra, according to sources, will feature 4 cameras in total: a 200 megapixel primary sensor, a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and 2 10 megapixel telephoto sensors. Samsung's in-house designed 200 megapixel ISO-cell HB2 sensor might end up in the company's premium flagship. It features a larger aperture than its predecessors and a smaller pixel size of 0.6 meters. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra seems to retain the same 3x and 10x periscope zoom cameras as its predecessor, so we expected pretty similar image quality. Nevertheless, Ice Universe says that the Galaxy S23 Ultra would capture significantly greater telephoto shots. He also claims that the upgraded primary camera on the S23 Ultra will outperform the Galaxy S22 Ultra in low light conditions. Per Ice Universe tweet, Galaxy S23 Ultra night photography and night video have been greatly improved. In terms of video, the new custom-made main camera sensor is said to be capable of 8K 30fps and dual HDR while shooting in 4K and FHD, allowing users to generate gorgeous, more consistently illuminated photographs on the phone. In addition, the iPhone 14 debuted Apple's Action Mode, and according to sources, Samsung is developing an ultra stabilization function for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to compete with it. Aside from that, the new chipset will enable AI advancements for the S23 Ultra. However, we'll talk about it later, so take watch. By the time it reaches customers, it may be unparalleled in its field. We will of course keep you posted as soon as we learn more. Thus, please subscribe to our channel. Battery. Both the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus from Samsung are expected to feature improved battery life. The Galaxy S23 now has a 3,900 mAh battery, while the larger Galaxy S23 Plus has a 4,700 mAh battery. A rise of 200 mAh above the earlier models was achieved in both iterations. While the battery capacity of the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be identical to that of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung has used its own solution to increase the phone's endurance. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will use Samsung's new Light Mode, which debuted on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. The new Light Mode may moderately reduce performance while greatly reducing power consumption without affecting refresh rates. Light Mode supposedly won't have any effect on gameplay since the game booster settings are managed separately. Overall, the performance and battery efficiency improvements shown by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 are promising, and it's possible that pairing that CPU with the Galaxy S23's Light Mode is ideal. In addition, the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 series, Qualcomm's most powerful and efficient CPU to date, will likely result in longer battery life in the next Galaxy S23 series compared to last year's Galaxy flagships. When will it be available, however, is a more pressing concern, given that we must first conduct tests to determine the battery's actual performance. Continue with us and you'll find out. Chipset. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has 200 megapixel resolution, H.265, and VP9 codecs. Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Gen 2 record 4,096 times more camera data than 14-bit predecessors. It means that the high dynamic range and color potential of photos may be extended with more data. The cognitive ISP and hexagon engine can discern grass, sky, skin, lips, hair, and bodies, and treat each layer locally on the device. Qualcomm's real-time segmentation filter sharpens where needed, adds color, and adjusts saturation. The Allen Wave sensing camera recognizes when another person enters your selfie shot to preserve your privacy. Case in point, if someone seated next to you on the bus tries to peek at your screen, the chipset will recognize that it's a mask. In terms of security, information saved on smartphones powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform is highly protected, decreasing the likelihood of illegal access. This is because the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 mobile platform is created with the utmost concern for its customers' data and privacy. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 uses Snapdragon Sound for high-quality calls, music, and gaming. With Snapdragon Sound-enabled smartphones, you can enjoy high-quality music anywhere, with the sound automatically adapting for background noise and interference. On gaming, Real-time hardware accelerated ray tracing is the most interesting breakthrough, since it will enhance the realism of mobile games by, among other things, showing lights and shadows more realistically. The combination of Unreal Engine 5 with the MetaHuman framework, which is designed to produce realistic human characters, is also supported. Qualcomm claims that the Adreno GPU in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 would be 25% quicker while using 45% less power. This should result in longer game sessions with reduced power consumption. Release date: Samsung unveils its newest Galaxy S smartphone towards the end of February. The Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, and S22 Ultra were introduced at the beginning of 2022 as the next flagship products for Samsung. The Galaxy S23 series may make its debut around the same time in 2023. According to South Korean media, Samsung's Galaxy S23 series will be introduced during the company's February 2023 Galaxy Unpacked event. It has been theorized that the conference will take place in the American city of San Francisco, California. The phones could be available for purchase on or around February 17, 2023. In the year 2023, we anticipate that the S23 Ultra will be a leading-edge smartphone if it is equipped with all of these enhancements. We are looking forward to seeing how the 200 megapixel performs and just cannot wait to share our practical experience video with all of you. So, which of these changes excites you the most? Share with us in the comments section below.